There's still a lot of snow up here at, I don't know, like 8,000 feet. Whoa. My path is blocked. Alright, hold on a second. What's up, guys? Welcome to another very cold birding episode. I don't know how I always manage this, but like the last few times I've come up here, it's been like 17, 18. Wow. Okay, so this snow is ice. That's ice. This should be fun. Laying down is going to be really fun, especially without a pad. So, I'm back at my... Just disturbed a lot of birds. So I'm back at my favorite and the only lake anywhere near my house, like within 100 miles of me. Wow, that's a lot of crunching. Can you hear that? There's a blue heron that just flew over. It's unfortunate that this is the sketchy side of the lake in terms of the snow, but this is the better side for the birds. So I want to get my Nemesis bird again. Nemesis bird round 3 is the hooded merganser. So if you've seen my other vlogs here, you'll know that I've gotten a couple of okay shots of them, and they're really common here now, but I still have not got the shot that I wanted. So I'm going to try that again. And also, it's becoming apparent that my Nemesis bird number 2 is the bald eagle. There are a surprising amount of bald eagles in New Mexico during the wintertime, especially around water. And there are a nesting pair of bald eagles here. And I saw them last time in my video. It stopped and flew in a tree right in front of me. Still didn't get a shot. So today's goals are hooded mergansers and bald eagle. I'm a little late. I wanted to get here around sunrise. It's like 7:40 or so. Ow. It's like 7:40 or so, and wanted to get here around sunrise so I could have a better chance of the eagles getting breakfast, but I kept stopping on the way in the mountains to take pictures. Okay, it's really annoying hiking with all of this snow crunching and trying to talk, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, good news, bad news. There's a merganser over there, one of the female common mergansers. The bummer news is it looks like she's got fishing line in her face. Let me see. Yeah. She ate a giant fishing line with like multiple weights on it. Unfortunately, there's not much I can do about that. I do know some people here in town, some wildlife rescue people, so I'll let them know, see if they can come up here. But there's like hundreds of those mergansers up here, and them being out here, it's really unfortunate, and it makes me quite sad. Do you hear that heron? Oh my god, it sounds like a dinosaur. There's the bald eagle. Alright, well, that bald eagle was like 9 miles away. Even with the 800, that was way too far, and it was flying the wrong direction. But they're here. they're awake, and hopefully they're ready for second breakfast. Alright, let's go find a better spot. Okay, well, all the places that I like to lay down are completely frozen with frozen snow and ice, so I'm just gonna come out on this little dock, which is slightly exposed, but I'm just hoping that anything coming by will be kind of chill. Okay, so all the ducks are way over there. Oh, there goes the eagle. There he goes. Okay, well, I just got the eagle flying into a tree. I didn't see any food, so I think it might go back out. So I'm just gonna kind of stake out here. I might actually go drive to the other side of the pond over there, the lake. But either way, I've got the sun to my back, so if it flies this way, it'll be very nice. It's just too far away right now to even photograph, and I don't want to walk closer to it and risk spooking it and sending it to the other side of the lake. So now we just wait and see if it goes out for second breakfast. Alright, well, I found the mergansers, the hoodeds. They're really far away. So I just put my R5 in 8K and filmed it, so I'll crop it. So just know that this hooded merganser footage right here is 8K cropped to 1080p. So they're really, really far away. You know what? I'm gonna grab an 8K clip of the eagle and his perch way the heck over there, and I'll show you that too. couldn't lay on that dock anymore. I was laying on that dock for like over an hour. I think I'm about done here. I think it's second breakfast time. Everything's really far away today. I can't get close because of all the snow. It's kind of difficult. It's a little bit frustrating. On a technical note, I did see both of my Nemesis birds today, and I even got a little bit of footage, but I still didn't get the shots that I want of either one of them. I think what I'm going to do is just, there's another spot to drive to on the other side of the lake here. It's got good light, and that's where I got my osprey shot. I think I might go hang out over there and see, maybe wait around for the eagles. Maybe they never came out for second breakfast. But I'm ready for second breakfast. All I had was a Nutri-Grain bar and some hot tea. Alright, well, this is a pretty short video. I didn't get anything I want. I did get a couple cool shots of the blue heron coming in hot for landing. I got a couple of what looks to be female bufflehead. A couple of okay things, nothing amazing, nothing portfolio worthy for sure, but that's wildlife photography. The more times you go out, the more times you feel like a failure. But I just go at it with the mindset of, I just like being outside. I like being out here. I like the cold, surprisingly. Actually, I don't really get cold, so I actually really enjoy the cold. And most people probably don't, but I mentioned it was like 17 degrees this morning. It's supposed to be almost 70. It's supposed to be like 68 or something today, so that's a temperature change right there. I guess that's pretty normal for New Mexico, especially we're like 8,000 feet up right now, so it probably won't get that warm here. It'll probably only get to like 60, but in town it'll probably get closer to 70. Alright, I'm done talking now. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this brief wildlife outing, because it definitely helps me out and I appreciate it. And if you want to see some super interesting wildlife stuff, you can check out my wildlife playlist. Coots being very, very loud. And if you made it this far and you haven't already, you should subscribe to the channel, because I've got new videos every week, and I will be back out here again, and I will get my shots of my Nemesis birds, and hopefully you guys will be with me, and it'll be awesome. So until next time, it's tea and second breakfast time. I'll see you later. Oh my god, this is so sketchy.